Right now, Bitcoin is breaking down, and in this exact video, I will be talking about what the price targets are of this breakdown and what the consequences are for Bitcoin on the bigger picture. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. It's going to be a very important one. I'm going to give an update on my trade. I'm going to give an update on my next trade, and I will be talking about this important price structure we're currently generating. So without any further ado, can we once again slap it back about 500 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once we're looking at the imminent short term of Bitcoin, we can clearly start to see we created that symmetrical triangle, that consolidation pattern on the 1 hour time frame. And ever since we broke below this level, and ever since we retested this level, we saw a significant rejection towards the downside. If you have been trading this symmetrical triangle breakdown, congratulations, but you can clearly see the price action was squeezing in with higher lows and with lower highs, and at the point it was starting to be breaking out, we basically had a retest and we straight away continued in the downtrend since we confirmed a lower low. Right now as well on the 1 hour time frame, if I remove all the drawings, we can start to see that we actually confirmed another lower low on the 1 hour time frame, only confirming that the trend is not very strong right now and that we're still seeing a continuation of this bigger picture downtrend on the 1 hour time frame. Also, you can clearly see it on the 4 hourly time frame, because on the 4 hourly time frame we had an imminent short-term downtrend, while in fact the bigger trend was still upward sloping. We were still creating these higher lows every single time. However, right now we have been confirming a lower low and we have been breaking below this key important level of support of this upward sloping support line. So this is definitely a very bearish development in general for Bitcoin, and I have been saying this: if Bitcoin confirms the breakdown and we see a retest of this level, I want to be shorting it. Unfortunately, the breakdown confirmation happened over the course of the night, and due to that I have not been able to anticipate it, because yeah, I'm not going to set up limit orders if I'm not sure if it's going to be having a successful retest, right? So unfortunately I have not been able to open up a trade right now, but I'm going to still wait to see if there's going to be a new opportunity coming soon. Talking about my price target, if I'm really looking at the ascending broadening wedge for Bitcoin, that is really the targets what I'm going to be looking at. If Bitcoin is going to confirm also the break below this level on the 12 hour time frame, what will be closing its candle in about 5 hours and 50 minutes, we will be needing to see, of course, a break below the upward sloping support line. If that happens, I'm anticipating targets of 20.6 to 20.7k are going to get reached, and those are exactly my price targets I'm currently aiming for. So this is what I'm aiming for right now. If Bitcoin is going to be having a breakdown confirmation on the 12 hour time frame, if not, I'm still going to be looking quite alright at this trend right now, but really what I want to be seeing is just a confirmation of the trend break. And if we do see the confirmation of the trend break, then I'm really expecting a lower continuation. Of course, on the 4 hourly time frame we've been seeing a confirmation of the trend break, but right now I want to be seeing it happening on higher time frames as well to see more confirmations. I have been taking more profits on my recent trade here, currently locked in more than $8,000 in profit. I have said it, if we break below the support, I'm going to lock in more profits, and that is exactly what I'm doing here. If we're going to see another significant bounce, I'm even going to lock in more and more profits, because I think it is a good time to take some profits off this trade. Well, Bitcoin is of course officially breaking these very important levels of support, right? So looking to of course take more profits on the trade, I want to maximize my gains. So I'm still going to wait for a potential bounce to open up, to close up even more of my profit, but currently I'm really also looking at the new trading position. And since I missed the entry on the 4 hour, I'm going to be looking at the 12 hour. If I see confirmation of the break right here, I'm going to anticipate it with of course a new short trade here. So if you're interested in trading, don't forget to check out the link in the description on Bybit, because on Bybit you can right now get a $30,000 deposit bonus if you sign up your account right now. And Bybit is basically the exchange where I am trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, we can see that on the daily time frame, Bitcoin also broke the daily support line. We were trading very well above this level and we were finding support on this upward sloping support line. However, right now we are seeing a confirmation of the break below this level, and that is definitely not necessarily a good thing for Bitcoin, because yeah, we're breaking the uptrend we've been trading in. And if you're really looking also at the daily time frame right here, you can still clearly see the rejection came from the 25k, so the 25k is the level to break. Currently right now we're also breaking the upward sloping support line, what could also have bigger consequences on the trend in general. So if I'm looking at horizontal levels on the daily time frame, I can already see this level right here as the main next big resistance. You can clearly see it. If I make it green real quickly, you can clearly see it. Previously ran providing resistance right here, resistance right here, and it flipped into support right here. So this is the level where I will be looking at to potentially see a short-term bounce for Bitcoin. And to be exact, this level is going to come in around 21.4k, also at the range low of the previous low in the market. So extremely important level to keep our eyes wide open on. If we break below it, then we're even having a bigger problem for Bitcoin, of course. But currently, in terms of horizontal support, this is the level to be watching right now here. Furthermore, we can clearly see that on the 3-day MACD, Bitcoin had that bearish crossover. But here it was also flashing a bearish buy signal. We crossed bearish significantly. Here, we had the bearish signal, we crossed significantly bearish, etc., etc. This is really an important thing to look at, because always once the MACD is flashing, it tends to tell us something about the bigger trend picture of the Bitcoin price action. So yeah, it did flip bearish, but usually it's right now already a little bit too late to really anticipate it. But this is definitely a very important signal to be looking at, and that is why I talk about it every single time. Anyways, this was it for me in today's update video. It was definitely a shorter video, but yeah, we're seeing the breakdown, but nevertheless, there's not a lot of other things happening right now in the market. If we will hold on towards the support on the 12-hour time frame, it's going to be still looking kind of good. Not super good, but kind of good. So it's going to be important to watch the levels right now here. But anyways, this was it for me in today's update video. I truly hope you did enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to slap up that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.